Hey coffee lovers, are you ready to take your home brewing to the next level? Today we're checking out the top 5 coffee scales of 2025, perfect for espresso, pour over and French press. I'll share the pros, cons and quick tips so you can pick the right one for your kitchen. Number 1. Greater Goods 0.1 G Precision Coffee Scale. First up, the Greater Goods 0.1 G Precision Coffee Scale. This one is a game changer if you love precise brewing. It's accurate to 0.1 grams, has a built-in timer, and even offers multiple measurement units. The onyx black design is sleek, and the non-slip spill-proof surface is super durable. Pros: highly accurate, compact, dishwasher-safe cover, excellent support. Cons: limited to 3 kilograms and the LCD could be larger. Quick tip: use the tare function to zero out your cup for a flawless pour-over measurement. Number 2. Maestri House Rechargeable Mini Coffee Scale next. The Maestri House Rechargeable Mini Coffee Scale. Small but mighty, it's perfect for espresso or pour-over. With 0.1 kilograms precision and a hidden LED display, it's stylish and portable. Plus, the rechargeable battery lasts up to 90 days. Pros: lightweight, elegant, long battery life, silent brewing. Cons: small surface may not suit larger brews, a bit pricier. Quick tip: take advantage of the dual timers to perfect your extraction every time. Number 3. Beale Basics Coffee Scale. The Beale Basics Coffee Scale is a reliable companion for precision brewing. It responds quickly, has a modern LED display, and the heat-resistant platform keeps it sturdy. Pros: accurate 0.1 kilograms measurements, rechargeable USB-C, durable non-slip pad. Cons: might not fit all espresso machines. Features can feel advanced for beginners. Quick tip: pair it with a small pour-over dripper for consistent results every cup. Number 4. Hario V60 Drip Scale. For pour-over enthusiasts, the Hario V60 Drip Scale is fantastic. It's precise to 0.1 kilograms, slim, and fits neatly under your dripper. Anti-slip feet and improved speed make brewing effortless. Pros: highly accurate, built-in timer, sleek and compact. Cons: runs on AAA batteries, limited to 2 kilograms. Quick tip: keep extra batteries handy for longer brewing sessions. Number 5. Maestri House Mini Coffee Scale with Timer. Finally, the Maestri House Mini Coffee Scale with Timer. Palm-sized but precise, it's perfect for espresso lovers. The long-lasting rechargeable battery, multiple measurement units, and waterproof design make it super practical. Pros: portable, 0.1 kilograms accuracy, rechargeable, stylish. Cons: small surface, LED can be tricky in bright light. Quick tip: use it for single-serve espresso shots to nail consistency every time. And there you have it, the top 5 coffee scales of 2025. Whether you're a beginner or a serious coffee enthusiast, these scales help you brew like a pro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more coffee tips. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below.